to bring inspiration to every athlete in the world. If you have a body, you have an athlete. Can you guess which company this social media vision belongs to? I'll give you a clue. It's not McDonald's. It's Nike. Well, I don't know if you guessed that, or maybe you already knew it. Basically, Nike are trying to say that everyone has a body, so you're all athletes. How very all-encompassing of them. But the key word here is inspiration. They want to be a source of inspiration. This is their social media vision. To bring inspiration to every athlete in the world. If you have a body, you have an athlete. The vision sits at the top of your strategy, with goals then sitting underneath. Goal setting probably isn't something new to you. In fact, you probably already set goals in your business via an overall business plan. What do you as a business owner, marketing director, or maybe your board of directors want to achieve with social media? In a first instance, it might be quite likely you say likes on Facebook, retweets on Twitter, or maybe brand awareness. But if you think carefully, beyond anything else, you probably want to see sales, of course, depending on your organisation. So when you develop a social media strategy, goals are vital. Because a social media strategy and its associated goals essentially should tie into your existing goals. Goal setting shouldn't be a static exercise. That's very important to stress. It certainly won't be the case that once you've set goals today, you won't need to return to this exercise in the future. It's actually the complete opposite. Goal setting should be a fluid process that happens on an ongoing basis. So why don't we look at 3 examples of visions and goals. If you're a new business setting up shop for the first time, your vision may be to become the leading and local trusted pet shop. Your goals could be maybe to find new potential customers, build awareness of your brand, and get people to buy into your story. Now, a utility company may have a vision to make their customers' life more simple. Their goals may include using social media to help reduce the number of calls to a call centre and reduce costs. And if you're a school, your vision may be to become a beacon in the local community, and your goals could be to increase its exposure to as many people in the local community as possible. There are 4 different types of goals you can set. The first one is operational goals, such as implementing a new technology or platform. Second, base KPI or key performance indicators, a benchmark goal that won't be difficult to achieve. Third, a stretch goal. This is an achievable but slightly ambitious goal. And finally, a dream goal. This is lofty and ambitious, but not out of reach. Why do we have 4 types of goals? Well, we need operational goals as these act as milestones on your journey. We need base KPIs so you can measure growth at a basic level, and then stretch and dream goals to give you the benefit of scale with room for excellence and overachievement. Now, of course, the goals you set need to be unique to your business. Goals are also split into more manageable tasks based on time, and then this is how we start to build up the strategy. In the next few lectures, we're going to look at auditing, our Listen Think Do framework, and then building that strategy to achieve your visions and goals. Your next challenge, using your social media strategy workbook as you did before, I'd like you to jot down what your social media vision could be. Then I want you to decide on some of your goals. If you're unsure about what your vision could be, or your goals, you can use the comment functionality on this lecture